rides. Thought it'd be fun, and the day started off fun and everything, but we weren't expecting this at all.
I understand this was the second ride you guys were on. Everything going on with the first one?
Yes, the first one we were at was the Alien Invasion, and that was an enclosed ride, and that was perfectly fine. And then that was right next to it. We were like, well, let's try it. It's fun. And we weren't expecting that to happen.
I can imagine you guys are going to be traumatized. Will you ever be able to ride a ride again?
No, like, not fair rides or amusement park rides. I just don't trust them anymore.
How old are you? You're 13, correct?
Yes.
How old are you?
I'm 16 and a half.
Can you say your names again for us?
Brittany.
Kylie.
Neil.
Is it N-E-A-L?
Yes. B-R-I-T-A-Y.
K-I-L-E-Y.
Guys, did you understand?
Are you from Columbus?
We are from Marysville.
Okay, so you come every year, you know this.
Yes, we do.
Very well. Will you be back sometime this week?
If we ever do come back, it will be only for the shopping. Me personally, my sister, I know we do not want to come back just because, like, we saw everything happen. It's just good. It's kind of like a death trap here for us.
Did we understand you say that you had actually ridden this ride before, Fireball?
No, we have not ridden it before. This was going to be our first time.
Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god. You was just on that fucking ride. That's why I'm scared. My weight, you know, I get on these roads. Oh my god, it is, yeah. Oh my fucking god.
Yo, the devil's at the store.
Record and scoot back.
Come on, scoot back. Everybody back. We gotta get you.
How far back do you want us? You got all these people, you can't get us all to go back. How far back are we gonna go? His legs bent backwards. Look at it. The lady on the ground is dead. The lady on the ground is dead. He's moving. He's moving. He's moving.
They're giving a girl CPR.
Yeah, they're giving a girl that hit the ground CPR.
She ain't moving at all. Come on, please, come on.
Yeah, there's people. Several people came flying out. Two people got ejected all the way out. That's that ride you was just on. Oh my fucking god, they've been telling me to get back. There's no way in hell I'd get back if that was you on there. Oh my fucking god. What's wrong with the ride? Everybody's running off the ride. They need help. Somebody's up there on the ride. Oh, somebody's fucked up on the ride too. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, it's a little girl. Oh my god. She's not breathing.
I'm so scared. Oh, no.
That one girl back there, they're giving her CPR still. They're still giving her CPR. She's bleeding? Alright. Yeah, they're breathing, but that girl back there, they're still giving her CPR. There's 2 people got ejected. One guy's leg is... Oh my God, that's the ride she was on. You was on it too? She was on it. I couldn't do it. Hey, go ahead and back up a little bit. Go ahead and back up. Back up. He's trying, ain't he? I see him.
Fireball just went to the left, and a few chairs, it looked like they were kind of falling out, and then it went to the right, and the whole row fell out, and we heard them hit the ground and everything, and we heard the emergency stop switch on, and it was pretty scary. Huh? Well, they made them stay on there for like 5 or 10 minutes before they were released off of there, which I thought it was wrong.
You 2 were in line together?
Yes.
So describe what I can't even imagine what you witnessed last night.
Yeah, the ride was going as normal, and somebody started to fall out, so the guy panicked and hit the emergency stop, and I think the momentum made the whole seat go off, which sent the other people off as well. A total of 3 people were hitting the ground. I saw them all hit the ground. I saw the one guy hit a metal, and he died instantly, which is the 18-year-old. And then the seat came crashing down. I know one of the guys in the seat had broken his leg. His leg was all the way backwards. And the ride came back down, and the guy didn't know the seat flew off. He just knew people flew off. So when it came back down, there was no seat. The guy panicked, and the people that were in there were silent. The passengers were all silent of the ride.
Were the emergency stop first or the crash first?
I saw the people flying off. I saw somebody fall off, and then he hit the emergency stop, which led to the seat flying off as well. And then I saw, which was the sound was the emergency stop button causing the ride to come down, which is a very loud ride, so the crash of the ride coming down.
Were people screaming?
People were screaming, obviously family members and friends that literally just saw people fly off and of panic, but the passengers on the ride were completely silent. They didn't know. I think they were speechless.
What was going on in your mind? What were you thinking when you saw it?
I was truly traumatized. I didn't think, this is actually one of my biggest fears, and I didn't actually think I'd have to witness it, especially right in front of me.
You guys were next in line. I mean, a couple people weren't in line ahead of you, and you could have been on that.
Yes, that is a very scary thought. The first thing I said is that could have been us, and we just took off running. We ran a few feet away from it, and I called my parents right away.
Have you come to this fair before, ridden these rides?
Yes, we didn't end up riding it last year, but we come here every year and we ride the rides. thought it'd be fun, and the day started off fun and everything, but we weren't expecting this at all.
And I understand this was the second ride you guys were on. Everything goes on with the first one.
Yes, the first one we were at was the Alien Invasion, and that was an enclosed ride, and that was perfectly fine, and then that was right next to it, and we were like, well, let's try it, it's fun. And we weren't expecting that to happen.
I can imagine you guys are going to be traumatized. Will you ever be able to ride a ride again?
No, like, not fair rides or amusement park rides. I just don't trust them anymore.
How old are you? You guys are 13, right?
Yes.
How old are you?
I'm 16 and a half.
Can you say your names again for us?
Brittany,
Kylie,
Theo,
N-E-A-L.
yes, BRITNY.
K-I-L-E-Y.
Are you from Columbus?
We are from Marysville.
Okay, so you come every year, you know this.
Yes, we do.
Very well. Will you be back sometime this week?
If we ever do come back, it will be only for the shopping. Me personally, my sister, I know we do not want to come back just because like we saw everything happen. It's just it's kind of like a death trap for us.
Did we understand you said that you had actually ridden this ride before, Fireball?
No, we have not ridden it before. This was going to be our first time. Yes.
We're looking forward to it.
Yes, we're looking forward to it. We thought nothing
What
was
is the thrill of riding a ride like that? Why do you want to do that?
Personally, I don't have fears, and one of my favorite things is to ride rides like that, and I've never been afraid of them, but now I'm truly afraid to ride anything again.
Thank you, guys.
Thanks so much.
You guys
Really
are from
appreciate
Marysville, is
it.
that right?
Yes.
So 13.
BRITNY.
Excuse me.
Kyle was looking why. Ellie. Last name.
Kylie. K-I-L-Y.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, no, that's okay. Christy. CHRISTY.
Thank you so much.
Oh gosh, and you're not that far away in Marysville, so you come down. The girls said if they ever come back, they'd like to come back for the shopping. So,
Yeah.
which is, we hope that they have fond memories of this, from the past. What's it like when you weren't standing with them? What was it like getting that phone call from them?
Oh, I couldn't make out what my daughter was saying. I knew something horrible had happened, but I couldn't understand anything that she was saying. I wasn't sure if her sister was hurt, if she was hurt. I didn't know. I just started to run towards that direction. And I'd actually gotten to the ride before I found them because they had ran away, and I'd seen the cart missing, and it was just horrible. It was horrible until I got to put my arms around them and just hug them and thank God that they were okay.
What did it look like? What did that seem like? Was there emergency personnel running towards it? Were people just trying to figure out what was going on?
Yeah, it was, it had just happened. The two troopers were beside me when I got in the phone call, and they had not even known what had happened at that point, and I said something terrible has happened. I don't know if my daughters are okay. And there wasn't any, there was somebody doing CPR, but not many people. I got them away from that area.
How lucky do you feel that your daughters weren't on that ride?
I feel so lucky, but at the same point, like somebody else's kids were on that ride. Somebody else's babies didn't get to come home. You go to the fair and you don't ever expect that you're not going to get to come home, or you just take it for granted that these things are safe, and that, it's just something that's just never happened. I've come to this fair since I was a little kid with my parents, and we usually come to the fair a few times a year.
How far away were you when you got the call from them?
I would say about 50 yards away.
Did you run?
Oh, yeah, I ran towards that direction as fast as I could. I couldn't understand my daughter. My husband grabbed the phone and he had said somebody had died, and then that's when the troopers started to storm that direction.
how do you comfort your daughters after something like this?
I just hug them and I just tell them, you know, thank God you weren't on there. And as soon as I got them back, I just took a moment and I thanked God and I prayed for the people that have been involved.